Hi, Adam Small here from Agent Sauce, and in this tutorial we are going to cover how to use custom fields. As you can see, I am already logged into the Agent Sauce portal, and I am on a contact sheet for Jane Doe. And if I scroll down here, you can see we collected a lot of information: first name, last name, email address, company, gender, that sort of thing. But what if I want more information? What if I want to know marital status, or if there are any allergies that Jane may have, or her dog's name? What we can do in the Agent Sauce system is go to our profile, and then we go to our custom settings tab, and then we click on the custom fields tab. And this is where we can add custom fields. If you have custom fields already, they'll show up here. And if you don't, then you can just click on this Add Custom Field button right here to add a custom field. And it pulls up our form. And we just got to give the field a name, like marital status. And select a field type, either a small text box, a large text box, or a list or drop down. Since this is a marital status, I'm going to go with a list or drop down, and we're going to be like Facebook and say single, married, or it's complicated. And as you note, I'm just creating a list of values, one item per line. And then I'm going to hit the Add Custom Field button right here. And it says the custom field has been added. And it refreshes, and there's marital status. I'm going to go ahead and add two more. Allergies. And this one's going to be a large text box. And then I'm going to add dog's name. And this will be a small text box. And as you can see, we now have all three of our custom fields here. And if I go back to my contacts, select Jane Doe, and scroll down, we now have allergies. So I can do hay and cats, and her dog's name might be Millie, and I can select that she is in fact single. Hit the save change, and you can see my data was saved. And that's how you use custom fields in the Agent Sauce Real Estate CRM. If you have any questions or you want to learn more, you can contact us at info@agentsauce.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.